Right, guys, we got page, what have we got? Page 14? Yeah, page 14, 8a, question 8a. Solve the following simultaneous equations by an algebraic method. Show all your working. So we got 3x plus 4y is 19. So I'll just write it here. Y equals 19, and I'm going to label that equation 1. If I can write it out, it helps, doesn't it? 3x plus 4y equals 19. And that's equation 1. And then we got 4x plus 5y is 23. So 4x plus 5y equals 23. And we can label that question 2. Now if you look at these equations, right, look at the 3x and the 4x. What do they both go into? They both go into 12x, don't they? So they both go into 12. So if I quadruple this one times this one by 4 all the way through the row, I'll get 12x. And if I times this one by 3 all the way through the row, again, 3 of these, and 3 of these, I'll get 12x again. And then I can take the difference and hopefully be able to find for y, can't we? So let's do that then. So equation 1, what did we say? We want to times that by 4 all the way through. So 4 of these is 12x. 4 of these will be 16, lots of y. 4 19s, ooh, 4 20s are 80. 4 1s are 4, so 80 less 4 is 76. The other way to look at that is 4 10s are 40, 4 9s are 36, 40 and 36 is 76. Okay, so you've got to be careful there. Label that 3. Now the next one, we said we'd triple this one, didn't we, to get 12x again. So 3 of these equals 3 of these. So 3 of those is 12x, that's what same, that's why we're doing it. 3 of those, 15y, and 3 of these. 3 23s, 3 20s are 60, 3 3s are 9, so it's 69. Good, that worked out nice. Now, we've got the same number of x's on these two equations, we can find the difference. Because this one's bigger than that one, it's easier to do 3 take 4, isn't it? And we'll get a positive number of y's, which makes life easier for ourselves. So let's do that. 3 minus 4, then what does that give? That take that goes. So we're doing the difference of this side equals the difference between this side. So basically you've got that take that goes. 16y take 15y is 1 lot of y. So just write y. We don't bother with 1 lot of because it is just y. 76 takes 69. 7? Yeah, so y is 7. So we know y is 7. So now we've got a y value. We can sub it into 1, 2, 3, or 4 to get the x, can't we? So should we put it in number 1? Yeah, so imagine if there was a 7 there, right? If you overwrite it with 7, you'll get 4 7s are 28. So you've got a horrible little thing here. You've got 3x plus 28 is 19. So let's do that then. Subs. Right, it helps to spell, doesn't it? Subs in y equals 7 in 1 gives. So what do we get? So I'm running out of room here. So I got 3x plus 4y is 19. That's equation 1. And wherever I see a y, I'm going to put 7. So let's just overwrite that. I'm going to overwrite y with the input. 4 lots of 7. That's 28. So I just run along here horizontally now because I've run out of room. Plus 28 equals 19. Now what I'm going to do is move the 28 across the equals. Yeah? Move the 28 across the equals and becomes minus 28. And at the same time, I'm going to cut a corner here. 19 take 28 is minus 9. So I get 3x equals minus 9. Yeah? So what I'll do now, so I'll just squeeze it in under here. 3x is minus 9. And then I'll divide by 3 both sides. So I can write it like that if we want. And then the 3's cancel. Divide by 3 both sides. Yeah, because you can't do the same thing both sides. That gives you x equals minus 3. So sorry about running out of room. It'll serve me right for just writing so big, doesn't it? X is minus 3. So we got y equals 7 and x equals minus 3. So why don't we just check it now in our mind's eye, because we've got a bit of time to check it. So 3 times minus 3 would give you minus 9. 4 times 7 would give you 28. So 28 minus 9 then. Yeah? Does that give you 19? 28 minus 9. Yeah, it does. It's good. So that looks okay. So we're okay for that line. Now what about the next equation? So y is 7, x is minus 3. So put minus 3 in here. 4 lots of minus 3. And y is 7. So you've got minus 12. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. 5 sevens are 35. 35 take 12. Is that 23? Yeah, that's fine. Good, we're happy with that. Oops. Always manage to get rid of the wrong thing with these pens. Okay then, so we're happy with that. We think that's right, and that's right. A little tick there for ourselves. Okay then, good. That's that one done. I think that's that page done. That's page 14 done, yeah? So let's go on to the next page. Good.